A bold new AI declaration demands humans stay in control. No AI takeover allowed. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Thursday, March 5th, 2026. A unique coalition featuring voices like Yoshua Bengio, Steve Bannon, and Richard Branson has issued a bold, pro-human AI declaration. Its 5 tenets demand humans remain in charge. Power stays distributed, human experience and liberty are protected, and AI firms are held accountable. The declaration warns AI poses real threats to civil liberties, national security, and economic health. Honor's new robot phone redefines smartphones with a physical 4DoF gimbal robotic arm for its camera. AI powers advanced stabilization, object tracking, and even robotic entertainment moves. This device marks a shift away from plain slab phones to dynamic AI robotic hybrids. Apple's breakthrough method uses reinforcement learning to detect AI hallucinations precisely in text. It highlights specific problem segments and aligns better with human judgments than yes/no detection systems. This tech outperforms previous benchmarks in summarization and quanta tasks. Tech giants just signed a strong pledge to power AI data centers with 100% sustainable energy. Addressing AI's massive energy footprint is critical as climate impacts grow. The commitment was unveiled alongside key political meetings, signaling rising scrutiny over AI's ecological effects. OpenAI rolled out its GPT 5.3 instant update to all users, sharpening accuracy and cutting embarrassing errors or cringe responses. This quick improvement reflects OpenAI's relentless push to refine its AI model, keeping it top tier in generative AI. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which AI topic excites you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.